Hello, my name is Bill, and today I will be giving a tutorial on how to complete question 5 of the sample questions from Caribou coding contest. So, question 5 is strings. Given a string, return the same string repeated 3 times, with every occurrence of the substring cat replaced by a parrot, and with the additional string and dogs at the end. The first line of the input contains the integer n. N is larger than 1 and smaller than 10, specifying the number of lines to follow. Each of the next n lines contains a string consisting of lowercase letters and spaces. All but n lines for the ith line contains a string according to Siemens specifications constructed from the I plus 1 line of input. Okay, so this one is definitely harder than the previous ones we had before, but with just a few lines you can create lines of code that will easily solve this problem. Create a Python file. I'm gonna name it problem 5 because that's the one we're on right now. Okay, so as we always do, we make something the input. The first number is integer, so s equals int input. Anyways, the second line will be a loop like last time, and this is just to say how many lines we're gonna run after this. Range s. That is how many lines, like how many times you will repeat this s times. Okay, so now for the next line, we're going to have another input. It will become a. A equals. So here we put int because it automatically thinks it's a string if you don't put anything. But this time it is a string, and so we just do input, nothing else. Input. Now, for the next line, we replace everything in a. That is cat to a parrot. So a equals a. Replace. And then the first thing is whatever you want to replace in quotation marks, because for strings, if you want it to work, you gotta put quotation marks. Cats. And then what you want to replace is parrots. And you have to put quotation marks too, right here. So then it'll think it's string. And then do print. Print a plus a plus a. So just print whatever a is it 3 times, and then plus space and dog. So then it will be a plus a plus. So like it will be parrots, and dogs. And then this should be fine. And as you can see now, I will run it. And I'll write 3 things. Cats will become parrots, and dogs. And remember, do not put s in the end, because look, as if you put the s in the end, when you put cat, what will become is cat, and dogs, because you put the s in the end. So it should be cat to parrot, not cats to parrot, because then cat won't be changed. So now as you can see, if I change it and then I'll rerun it, one thing this time, just a cat example, it'll work parrot, and dogs. And even if I put cats, so one thing, cats, I'll still write parrots because it replaces this part, and then so it replaces this part to parrot, and then but then the s is untouched, so it'll become parrots. So this should work. So now let's go into Safari, and the problem seems to be strings and my files problem 5. And if I submit it, and now we'll refresh, and I got 100. And not that difficult as after you know what to do. Only 5 lines. So yeah, that's the 5th question. And like and subscribe. See you in the next video.